Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you a hack which can really impact your trading and increase your profits and decrease your losses as well. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. So before we proceed to the hack, let me tell you this hack will increase your execution and closing time of the trade. So basically it will reduce your latency in real time. So in case of volatility or news, you will be able to close or open the trade very quickly, which will eventually increase your profits and decrease your losses. This hack is beneficial for both manual and algo trader as well. So now let me quickly show you the trick. Okay, so guys, what you need to do is you will see a number running in the right corner of your terminal, bottom right corner. Okay, so you just have to click on this number. Then you can see over here that right now the highest ping server has been auto selected by my terminal. Okay, so what I just need to do is I have to select the lowest ping server over here, and that's it. I have reduced my latency from 354.78 milliseconds to 148.65 milliseconds. So this was a quick, simple trick which can really boost your trading profits when it comes to execution and closing the trade. Also, one more thing guys, you have to perform this trick every time you will reopen your terminal, because it will auto select the highest ping available with the broker. So you have to perform this trick every time you come to the terminal. So for more tricks and hacks like this, subscribe my channel guys, like this video and hit the bell icon so you never miss these kind of tricks and hacks from us. See you guys in my next video. Take care guys. For more videos like this, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.